Tired of climbing ladders twice a year to scoop out soggy debris? I analyzed 5 affordable gutter guards that actually block leaves and handle heavy downpours. What I found about mesh density and debris shedding will save you from buying gutter guards that clog within months. Here we go. Starting off at number 5, this one nails professional-grade durability without sacrificing DIY-friendly installation. We have the RAPTOR stainless steel gutter guard. This solves a problem most overlook. You want that fine micro mesh technology that blocks pine needles and debris, but you don't want to pay thousands for professional installation. RAPTOR gives you both. The stainless steel mesh here is noticeably finer than laser perforated sheets. It uses V-bend and trough technology that optimizes water flow while adding rigidity to the whole structure. That means water drains properly during heavy downpours instead of sheeting over the edge. But here's where it gets interesting. Users report this thing handles torrential rain without overflow. One homeowner in Wisconsin ran these through 2 years of ice, snow, and brutal winters with no issues. The guards actually melted first during spring thaw, keeping the drainage clear when it mattered most. Each kit gives you 48 linear feet of coverage with self-tapping screws included. It's designed for 5-inch gutters or smaller. Installation is straightforward enough that an 80-year-old reviewer completed the job solo on a metal roof. Just loosen the roof screws, slide the guard under, and secure. Here's the key detail for pine tree environment. The mesh does well blocking debris from entering gutters. You'll still need to brush off needles that settle on top after heavy drop seasons, but that's minor compared to scooping mush out of clogged channels. One consideration, some users mention the mesh ends can arrive slightly bent from shipping. A few minutes with pliers fixes that. Also, while the self-tapping screws work on aluminum gutters, pre-drilling pilot holes makes the job easier on steel. What really stands out is the value here. You're getting stainless steel that resists rust and warping, plus fine mesh that keeps out roof grit and pine needles. For homeowners ready to end the ladder climbing days without breaking the budget, this delivers. Link is in the description. Next up at number 4, this one goes all in on a single material that most guards only use partially. We have the Hoopmon gutter guard stainless steel. Here's what most overlook. Many gutter guards advertise stainless steel, but they're usually talking about the mesh alone. This one builds the entire structure from 3/0 for stainless steel, both the frame and the screen. That consistency matters when you're thinking about long-term corrosion resistance. The rigidity shows immediately. Because the frame is stainless too, the guard holds its shape under debris loads and snow without sagging. Users report installing 78 feet in under 2 hours. One contractor actually noted how easy the installation went. From ground level, these stay practically invisible once they're up. And this is where real-world testing comes in. One homeowner installed these right before Hurricane Francine passed through. Wind-blown leaves, tree debris, heavy rain, hitting all at once. The guards kept everything out of the gutters and water flowing throughout the storm. The 8-mesh pattern with roughly 1/8 inch openings hits a sweet spot for debris shedding. It blocks leaves and roof grit while letting torrential rain pass through. Unlike overly fine mesh that can trap wet leaves and choke drainage, this opening size keeps water moving during downpours. Installation stays DIY friendly. Pre-drilled holes along the fascia edge, self-tapping screws included, and a magnetic Phillips bit all come in the box. For standard 5-inch gutters, expect a clean fit without modifications. One practical consideration, cutting stainless steel requires the right tools. You'll need a hand grinder with a thin blade for the frame. The mesh cuts with snips, but that frame is tough. Several users also suggest ordering a sample first to confirm fit, especially if your gutters aren't exactly 5 inches. At the end of the day, this delivers material consistency throughout. When frame and mesh share the same corrosion resistance, you eliminate weak points that typically fail first. For humid or coastal climates, that difference adds up over years. Link is in the description. At number 3, here's where a patented design feature changes the approach. We have the Sukhavati Gutter Guard Kit. Most guards just sit flat across your gutter. This one uses smart pitch technology to create an U-pert angle between the guard and your roofline. That angled position keeps the mesh horizontal relative to the gutter. The result is improved water flow while debris slides right off instead of pooling and settling. The build pairs stainless steel micromesh with a heavy-duty aluminum frame. Each piece runs 48 inches long and about 5.5 inches wide. You get 12 pieces per box. That's 48 feet of total coverage, enough for most front-facing sections in a single weekend project. Now, here's what reviewers keep EMPA sizing. Frame quality here surpasses what you'd typically grab off the shelf at hardware stores. One homeowner described the steel mesh as tightly woven with considerable strength to block leaves, pine needles, and roof grit. Even shingle stones just roll right across without catching. And this is where older homes come into play. One user tackled a 50-year-old house with small gutters and a metal roof installed over them. Tight clearances everywhere. The guards still fit without modification. He reached out to the company via email and got a response within 24 hours with specific answers. The kit includes practical accessories, self-tapping screws with ridges on the lower lip to keep them centered, a magnetic 1/4-inch bit for driving, gloves, and even a grinding wheel for custom cuts around lights. Just remember, these guards require power shears or an angle grinder to cut. One reviewer tried regular shears and quickly learned the material is too heavy-duty. The mesh extends slightly past the edges, so each piece overlaps the next. That creates a seamless blend with no gaps for debris to sneak through. What backs all this up is a 30-year warranty. For homeowners wanting premium micro mesh construction with serious long-term coverage, this delivers on both. You'll find find the link in the description. These products are great, but there are hundreds of deals every day, and most of them are trash. That's why I pick the 5 best from each category every day and post them for free on Telegram. And you can choose only the categories that interest you, with zero spam. Link in the description. Next up, at number 2, this is where USA manufacturing meets industrial-grade aluminum construction. We have the AM Gutter Guard 5-inch aluminum. Most don't realize how much gauge thickness matters in aluminum guards. This one uses heavy industrial gauge .018 aluminum throughout. That translates directly to rigidity and long-term durability, without the rust concerns you'd get from other materials. The design packs 380 holes per linear foot, each 1/8 inch in diameter. That density handles torrential downpours without water sheeting over the edge. One reviewer mentioned their gutters used to overflow constantly before installation. After putting these up, rainwater flows through smoothly while debris stays out. Now, here's where long-term testing tells the real story. A 60-year-old homeowner installed 50 feet by herself in 3 to 4 hours. 4 years later, she updated her review. No rust, no degradation, completely maintenance-free, except brushing leaves off corners twice yearly. The overlap tab design deserves attention. Each 47-inch piece has a built-in 1-inch overlap cut into one end. Order 100 feet, and you actually get 100 feet of coverage. No extra footage needed for seams. Something else worth noting, you can slide panels down the gutter to reach difficult spots without repositioning your ladder. For that one section that's always awkward to access, this feature saves real frustration. One thing to plan for is that screws aren't included. Users recommend self-tapping sheet metal screws ordered separately. Also worth checking your hanger type. These are designed for hidden hangers first, so K-style hangers on older gutters may need alignment verification. For homeowners prioritizing heavy-duty aluminum, backed by a lifetime warranty, this delivers reliable protection per linear foot. Links in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And finally, number 1. This one proves professional grade results don't require professional prices. We have the FlowGuard 5-inch aluminum gutter guards. Here's what's surprising. One reviewer sat through a contractor presentation with an eye-watering quote for 200 feet of gutter protection. He ordered these instead. Years later, debris just blows off and no cleaning has been required. The 3-point design makes that possible. Those 3 parallel ribs create turbulence that directs water into the gutter while elevating wet leaves off the surface. Once debris dries out, light winds carry it away without you lifting a finger. And here's what an actual engineer pointed out. The pre-drilled holes every foot front and back don't just simplify installation, they reinforce your existing gutter hangers, making the whole system stronger. The rear hem folds over to double the metal thickness, exactly where stress concentrates, but the real test came with harsh conditions. The .018 gauge aluminum won't rust or deteriorate. A homeowner in the Northeast, surrounded by 70 to 80-foot trees, ran these through heavy rainstorms and brutal winters. Water flowed smoothly during downpours. Snow and ice on top melted faster since nothing accumulated inside the gutter anymore. Installation stays practical for a weekend project. Users report covering 100 feet in 3 to 4 hours. The dual interlocking ends create clean, continuous seams. Stainless steel self-tapping screws come included. And importantly, these mount on top of gutters without going under shingles. That keeps your roof warranty intact. One thing to plan for. Several reviewers mentioned the screws aren't color matched to the guards. From ground level, it's hardly noticeable, but painting them beforehand is an option if that matters to you. With a 50-year warranty from a USA manufacturer backing it all, this delivers set-it-and-forget-it protection at a fraction of what contractors charge. Links in the description. Now you know exactly which gutter guards block debris and handle downpours without clogging. After just one season, for set-it-and-forget-it durability, number 1 delivers. For full stainless in humid or coastal climates, check number 4. For pine needle environments, go with number 5. Stock runs LOL before storm season. Now,